Here's the cursor demo that I show to developers who haven't tried it before. I just try to cover three things: the integrated chat, cmd-K to code with natural language, and debugging with AI. Cursor is a VS Code fork, and you'll just see this additional plane here on the right-hand side. I'm going to ask this, write a implementation of the game of life in Python, animate the output in the console. You can see here we have different models that we can choose from. Claude 3.5 Sonnet's the best for writing code as of today, but you can also use O1, you can use GPT-4o. And you see here that it's going to not only write the code, but it gives some explanation. You can either click this button and copy, or you can click this apply, and they've got a kind of a whole model dedicated to making diffs to your existing code. I'm going to accept them. I will open this in the integrated terminal, and we'll run it, and we have a fully functioning game of life on the first try. This is code that I could probably write on my own. It would take me a few hours. It would not be nearly as succinct, and it definitely would not run on the first try. So just this functionality alone, just simply bringing the chat into the IDE, in my opinion, is worth the $20 a month. Second thing that Cursor did, you can select a chunk of code. I'm here just going to select all of it, and I'm going to press Command-K, and I'm going to ask it to make some changes to my code. Double the size of the board, make it green like an Apple IIe. Submit that edit. And now you can see a little bit more of that diff in action. So it found where the board was defined, and then down here it found the color. And so I can click accept, save that, open up the terminal again, rerun my program, and now we have something that looks more like an Apple IIe. So this functionality is pretty incredible, right? You're making changes to your code in natural language, and that's really powerful, not just for developers, but for folks who maybe have always wanted to learn to code but never have. I would say that coding has probably never been more accessible than it is right now. Third thing that is really useful here is debugging. Let's pretend there was a syntax error that for some reason we would not have caught with the other plugins that we might have installed here. I'm going to run this again. I'm going to get my traceback. I can highlight the traceback, and you'll see this button pops up that says add to chat. And so I'll add that traceback to chat. I'll say fix this error. And it identifies the error. It gives me a fix. I click apply, and it applies the fix. I don't have to copy paste the code, figure out where that fix goes. It just kind of takes care of that for me. I run the code again, and it works again. Look, I don't want to overhype this. This is an AI demo, and the demos are always better than reality. We're starting from a blank file here, not dealing with a big code base. We did not encounter any hallucinations, and you will. But there are very real productivity gains here. So if you have not tried Cursor yet, would encourage you just to go to their site, download it, try it out for a week or so, and just see how it works for you.